Welcome everybody. Today we've got Roboto from Masters of the Universe. He was a helpful heroic robot, I think. He had the claw grip, the blaster gun, and an axe. They could just pop off. I say pop off, they're really in there good for whatever pops back in, so whatever needed to be done, he was available. Also has the clockwork on the inside there that operates his jaw. And I can also, the main gear down at the bottom, the yellow down there is, I can see in there, it's pretty stripped out. I don't know if it'll show up on camera. Pretty small gears, but that's why it sort of skips around on, I don't know, but the gears on the back, and I say there are big gaps in those gears. I don't think there's any way to fix that, to be honest. It doesn't appears to be melted together. There's no screws or anything in there, so I don't think there's any getting in there to fix that. But if you've ever seen my other channel, everybody knows how much I like the clockwork stuff, so I do like that. Seeing them spinning there. But I think seems like in the Netflix, I did never watch the new Netflix one by Kevin Smith because I gave up on Netflix, but it seems like he helped forge the new Power Sword or something that helped bring He-Man back, I think, from the clips I've seen on it. But not much more to say about him. I don't remember him being in any of the episodes of the old TV show. Evidently he did originally have silver boots and and thigh pads, but the red has evidently overtaken the silver. I've seen that on a couple of eBay that I looked at just to see what his name actually was, because I did, being a kid of the 80s, I knew the Styx, Mr. Roboto song, so I was surprised that was his name. But anyway, that's about all I got about for him. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. Hope you're enjoying it, because I am, and I'll see you next time.